how to remove background of any particular image. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can remove the background of any image for free. So in order to start, the first thing that you can do is open any web browser or any search engine of your choice. So for example, let's say I open Google and then I can simply type in remove.bg. Now once you have typed in remove.bg, I can simply click onto this search option and you can see that it has led me to this particular website. Now from here I can click on close and then click onto this upload image option. Now I'll need to select the image. So for example, let's say this image is the one from which I need to remove the background. Now you can see that it has started processing the image, and once the algorithm processes the image, it will remove the background for you automatically. And once the background has been successfully removed, you will be able to download the background free image. So as you can see, it is currently processing. Let us wait for the image to get processed. And now you can see that the image has been successfully processed and the background has been removed beautifully. So in order to download this new image, you can click onto this download option. Also make sure that the preview image would be of a lower quality. In order to get the max quality, you will need to purchase a subscription. So we will choose the free option, and you can see that the file has been successfully downloaded with the background removed. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.